Hi, I'm Al with MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia. Today we're going to look at a brand new 2020 Caribbean RS. This new Caribbean 250 RS has some exciting new colors, including a copper trim seat. This is equipped, of course, with this is a tri-tune with your weathered gray floors. The seat has a Junior Beast tow bar aft. It has the captain's cup holders, and as you can see, cup holders everywhere. The captain's cup holder, of course, will keep a beverage cold. Here's your under-deck storage for your wet toys. As you go back into the boat, you can see the aft seating arrangements. Notice something new this year is you have a bolstered seat. You'll see that momentarily where the bolster is flipped up. This helps you see over the top of the boat if you want to sit up higher, particularly if you have smaller people driving the boat. And it has a Simrad dashboard with all the controls there. Table on the left side, the new table. As you look further into the boat, you can see the rear seating arrangement. It's a wide open boat. It's a nice easy walk-through arrangement. Your tow bar is aft. Your motor, of course, was right there, your 400 horsepower motor. This boat should supply you a lot of fun and a lot of pleasure with great performance. It's a great package overall. Thank you for looking at our new Caribbean.